This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks out of clay. First, you need to prepare your clay. Begin by digging up suitable clay and removing any large impurities such as rocks or organic debris. Then, gradually add water to the cleaned clay, mixing it thoroughly until it reaches a consistent, pliable texture. It should feel like a firm dough, not too wet or sticky, ready for shaping. Once your clay is perfectly prepared, it's time to form the bricks. You'll need a sturdy wooden mold, often around 8 inches long, 4 inches wide, and 2 1/4 inches deep. Firmly press the clay into the mold, making sure to fill every corner completely. Use a straight edge, like a piece of wood, to scrape off any excess clay and create a smooth, level top surface. After shaping, carefully remove the wet bricks from their molds. This stage is crucial for preventing cracks. Place them on a flat, level surface in a shaded, well-ventilated area. Allow them to air dry slowly and evenly for several days or even weeks, depending on humidity. Protecting them from direct sun and rain is essential to ensure they cure properly without damage. The final step is firing, which gives the bricks their strength and durability. Arrange your thoroughly dried bricks in a kiln or a temporary firing structure. Gradually raise the temperature to a very high heat, typically between 1,100 and 1,200 degrees Celsius. Maintain this intense heat for several hours to ensure the clay vitrifies, creating strong, long-lasting bricks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.